San Antonio Falls is a picturesque and popular natural attraction located in the San Gabriel Mountains of California, near the town of Mount Baldy. The falls are named after nearby Mount San Antonio, which is also commonly known as Mount Baldy. The falls are easily accessible and are a favorite destination for hikers, nature enthusiasts, and outdoor adventurers. The San Antonio Falls are formed by San Antonio Creek, as it cascades over a series of granite cliffs, creating a stunning and refreshing display of natural beauty. The water originates from snowmelt and rain runoff in the higher elevations of the San Gabriel Mountains, making the falls particularly impressive during the spring and early summer months, when the snowpack begins to melt. Visitors can reach the falls via a moderately challenging hike that begins at the Mount Baldy trailhead, which is located at the end of Falls Road. The trail winds through a beautiful alpine landscape, featuring towering conifer trees, wildflowers, and panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. The hike is approximately 1.5 miles one way, with an elevation gain of around 300 feet, making it suitable for hikers of varying experience levels. Upon reaching the falls, hikers are rewarded with a breathtaking view of the cascading water as it tumbles down the rock face, creating a refreshing mist and a serene atmosphere. The area around the falls provides an excellent opportunity for photography, picnicking, or simply relaxing and enjoying the natural surroundings. San Antonio Falls is not only a scenic destination, but also serves as an important water source for the local ecosystem, providing vital hydration to the plant and animal life in the area. Additionally, the falls hold cultural significance for the indigenous peoples of the region, who have long revered the natural beauty and spiritual power of the San Gabriel Mountains.